Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have this stuff tormenting, as I am some tormented. But what I need to do right now is do something to help Rudy, or Rudy's Retro Intel. So I need to sort through Vic-20s and find ones that will help him in this current... Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I've got a printer lid here. There we go. Yes. I've got to search through these and find some of the cost-reduced boards. Of course, what is this? Is this just a joystick? No. It's a Commodore 64 in a joystick that plays lots of games. But do I need it right here? Right now? Well, no. No, I don't. So I'll put it over there. And I will start to look through the documented Vic-20s. It's funny, the first ones, they were thinner. Then somehow they got thicker. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay, this is not going to be it. This is not what I need. I need the cost-reduced things. And at this moment, I have stuff sitting here that shouldn't be here. I'm going to try and stick it under here, get it out of the way. Oh, here's a Vic-20. Oh yeah, this is the one that froze up. Board. Keyboard difficult, froze up a couple times. Beat, 2 screens. Why would I not put... What kind of board is this? Oh, okay, it is the short board. And it has some things that are socketed. Okay, this could be helpful. Not everything is socketed, but some things are socketed. See, Rudy has a very strange Vic-20 he's been working on. All major chips are socketed. Machine, filthy, dusty keyboard, each taken apart. I'm pretty sure. Why would I not mark? I mean, the whole thing I was supposed to be doing is marking on here what's what. I'm sure as I can be. This, too, is a short board. This is filthy. It's filthy. But I guess I will have to open it up and have a look. What is on the floor here? Oh, yeah. A bag. Okay, now here, it's funny. This looks... I thought this was a 64 because it's so dark, but it isn't. Okay, yellowed keyboard. Omega, it has several keys, not keys. Big virtual keyboard. Shortboard. So much information. Works, but more. Keyboard did. Omega race card. Several keys do not have springs. Big switch for the keyboard. Danger key. Danger key stems can be sharp. Oh yeah, can be sharp. Okay, this also may be helpful. Because basically we don't get to see each other very often. All right, what do we got here? Might have issues with the power connector. Well, I'm going to have to open these up. And look, this one, I don't think is a short board. But I will see. Okay. Also, I need to find a better place to store these. This is not good. Not good at all. Now here's a Vic-20 that is open. Shortboard not working. All chips that are in sockets have been tested. And another board. And all the things have been put, still not working. Okay, so here, for those of you, if you're not seeing, this is the cost reduced board in a Vic-20. It's shorter and it has different RAM chips, which is of course how they can do this. Anyway, but they did keep on selling these, so I'll have to go through, open them up, make some more notes, and figure out what would be most helpful to Rudy. And does that mean he's going to have them for a while? Yeah, that's fine. But I know he's been tormented by this Vic-20. So, yes, must see what we can do to get that resolved. Anyway, this is spinning. Things are happening. I think. Oh, there's also this Vic-20 here. No, it's a two-prong. The shortboard Vic-20s all must be the prongs. Sorry, the power connector, like the Commodore 64. They must be. That's just the way they are. What does this one say? Shortboard. See this? Oh, why does it have to have 3 screws in it? Oh dear. Oh well. This one might be the one where nothing is socketed, and that's just fine. Because if it works and nothing is socketed, that is not terrible. I'm just surprised I did not put a note to that effect on here. It's very yellowed. I'm really trying not to lose screws. Okay, I rescued that one. Come on off. Okay. Oh, there's one screw. Oh dear, maybe it fell down. I don't know. Let's have a peek in here. Oh. Well, a lot of things are socketed, but not everything. Did I not write that down? Works. The keyboard did. I guess I didn't. Oh dear, 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 dear. Ugh. All right, screws. screws. Okay. I think I'm at the point with this table where I've got to take some things off of here. Now, at some point next year, I'm going to put this in the sun. The case that is. Oh boy, it is yellowed. It's so yellowed I almost thought it was a Commodore 64. I did, but it's not. Okay, so I mean, I could send all these machines to Rudy, but I don't really think that is necessary. I think what I want to do is find the one that has no chip socketed and the one that has all the chips socketed. And I think that would be good. So, that's enough for now, I think. I'm just going to check the time. I have an appointment. I do. Okay. So, thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. By the way, for those that aren't sure what's going on here, it's an 8050 hooked up to a Vic-20 and a 1541 hiding back there, all connected through a V-Link. Made by Richfield Telecommunications. And it's working, but this drive is dead. This drive is working. The 1541 is fine. I'm tormenting things. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.